I am so excited. It came today. Got delivered while I was at work, and my wife and the driver that tried to deliver it she couldn't lift it to get it up the stairs, and I tried to put 2 sets of wheels under it. I couldn't get it up the stairs either. This thing is massive heavy. But what we have in here is a motorcycle. Check this out. All I've unboxed so far is a couple of these little kits that have been inside of it. We got the foot pegs, key set, thing for there's phone charger. That's the speedometer. Over here, we've got the charger base. It came with toolkits for installation, certificate of origin. That's right, you're gonna need that to get it plated. We also have something interesting beside the this. Hers didn't come with this. It looks like a level 2 charger. That looks like CSS to me. So that's interesting. Can I charge this at public stations? I think so. Very, very interesting. What we got? Yeah.
The next day finally came. This ride gets compliments. How fast can it go? Mine hit 52 miles per hour. Love the quick takeoff. The torque is amazing. Steep hill test. It takes Crown Hill like a champ. These hills are so much fun. The saddle and suspension make this a very comfortable ride. Did you notice the massive brake discs? These hydraulic brakes stop really quick. This was also a good day to test out the Insta360-degree camera. Wow, just wow! This thing uses artificial intelligence to track some amazing shots. I put links to this camera and Mojo in the description. The display is crisp. It gives you all your information on a waterproof screen. The headlight is super bright. I can safely see far ahead. This included phone mount also has a USB port for charging. I think that's an awesome feature. Taco night is more of an adventure. Now that we both have these electric scooters from Eahora. Here I have added some green LED lights. I've already ridden mine over 1,000 miles now, and I still love it.